I'm starting to like the short nails, and I really like the look. Clean, simple, short. Okay, so I'm back at home. The photo shoot went great. Such a great day. It was so exciting to work with Tiara. This is her makeup look too. It's not as fresh as it was earlier, but I can't wait to, it still looks amazing, but I can't wait to show you guys some of the pictures from the shoot. It was so good. It was bomb. Tiara killed it with the makeup, and I showed up as well. So my press-on nails did really good. They're still on. None of them fell off. However, I was being very careful and very cautious. You can see with these nails, I'm trying to show you, but it's kind of hard to see. I'll try to do a different video, a different angle, but you can see on the nail which part is pressed down and which part is not. And like something like my pinky nail, like half of it was up, but at least it didn't fall off. So I did bring extra glue, nail glue, for that, but I didn't need it, luckily. So they stayed on. And then they looked great in the photo. So I'm glad that I waited until this morning to put them on instead of putting them on last night. So they were like super fresh. And they lasted, right? So they did what they needed to do. I'm gonna try to see if I can keep them on for a few more days, at least until tomorrow night, but we'll see what happens. Overall, I had a really good day. The shoot was successful. Okay, y'all, so just an update with my press-on nails. I put these on Saturday. Today is Monday, so I've had them on for, I guess, almost two full days. And my first nail just fell off, the pinky nail. And this is the same nail that I said was kind of up the entire time. So I just wanted to document. I already had one nail fall off. But other than that, I'm starting to like the short nails, and I really like the look. Clean, simple, short. I used to get long nails back when I went to the salon, so me having short nails just, it was for photo shoot purposes, but I'm starting to really like the short nail look now. It did come with a pack of 30 nails, so I am going to find another nail and replace it, but so far the only issues I've had with my nails are one fell off. Okay, so another issue that I'm starting to notice is that on the nail itself, there's stickies on the back of each nail. And so when I fit the nail for size. And then when I put the nail on, the sticky goes like, here, let me try to show you. Okay, here's one of my nails. I don't know if you can see it, but the sticky goes all the way up to the very tip of the nail, right? It doesn't only cover the nail itself, but it covers the entire underneath of the nail. So I'm starting to notice the more I do that, certain crumbs and other particles are starting to get stuck in that sticky area under the nail, because the sticky covers the entire surface of the nail. So that's just one negative thing, because I don't like things under my nails. So now I'm to the point where I'm starting to peel the sticky stuff off, because even when I try to, like, when I wash my hands and I use the nail scrubber, it's not all coming off because it's like stuck to the sticky, if that makes sense. So that's just something else that I noticed about these nails. But I'm gonna keep them on, try to see if I can go a whole week without more of them falling off. But like I said, the pinky nail was already a little shaky from the first day, so I mean, we can't really fault it for that one. All the other nails are sturdy. One thing I have noticed is that, okay, so ladies, you know, when you get your nails done at the salon, and you know, after a while when they start to grow and then they're not fresh anymore, or you put your hands in your hair and then like your hair gets stuck like underneath the, like under the back part of the nail that has grew out from your original nail. So I am noticing that with these. So that's why I'm like, dang, already. But they are press-ons, but that's just something that I've noticed, that I can't really put my fingers in my hair. I was doing a photo shoot, and then when I was doing this, I noticed, like, you know, maybe a strand or two would get caught, and I was trying so hard to like pull my hand out gently, because I'm like, oh no, I don't want a nail to fall off during the shoot. You know, like, you know, so yeah, so just something that I've noticed. But overall, I really like the look of the nails. I'm really starting to like the short length even after a couple days. But yeah, I'll be back to check in. I'm gonna at least go a week, because that's the usually the average recommended time that the nails last for some of the other brands, and then I'll keep you guys posted. All right, y'all, so I had to do a video real quick. Yeah, I know, my head tied up and everything. I'm getting ready to go to sleep, but I gotta do a video real quick because I'm about to take these nails off, okay? Like, I can't handle them anymore because there's gunk and dirt just being stuck to the inside of my nail on that the sticky part. So I put the nails on Saturday, Sunday to Monday, Monday to Tuesday, Tuesday to Wednesday. So I would say they lasted 4-ish days, because it's not to the same time where I put them on yet on Thursday. So they lasted about 4.5 days, which is fine. But I got to shoot tomorrow, so I can't be having my nails looking all raggedy and ratchet. And one of them is starting to, you see how it's like, you can't really see it, but like right here it's starting to like peel up and push up. So I have to take it off. You see it? It's like the nail ended up cracking for some reason, and I'm not sure how it cracked, but I definitely just noticed it. But anyway, I'm about to take the nails off. I'm gonna have to either go bare tomorrow or put some new ones on. It depends on how I feel in the morning, but I'll keep you posted. So I will say, after taking my nails off, that that adhesive was strong as ever. That adhesive was it was really strong. Like, I still have lots of glue on my nails. It was harder to take these press-ons off than it was when I get acrylics. I'll tell you that much, because acrylics just boop pop off. But these, it was hard. Kind of hurt my nail a little bit to like rip them off. Now, full disclaimer, I did not read the instructions on the proper way to take these off before I took them off. But nonetheless, they came off. But I'm gonna have to go get a nail file and file off the rest of this glue, because it's so hard and it's stuck on my nail that I can't peel it off. But there's like no, unlike, you know, acrylics, there's like no indents or anything. My nails still look healthy underneath. And even unlike the glue, like when you use the glue to glue on your press-on nails, so like it messes up your nails and it leaves residue and indents. But my nails look completely healthy underneath, completely fine. I just have to get the glue off. So just a quick update. All right, I'm going to sleep now. Good night.